Real quick, would you save this mower pan? Okay, we're going to switch our attention to this kit. The kit comes with everything that you see here. I will put the link in the description down below. Now, it comes with the belt, of course, the blades, the pulleys, the spindles, and the spindle hardware. Now, the reason why I mentioned the spindle hardware is because not a lot of these kits come with the spindle hardware. And not a lot of them are already threaded. Sometimes you have to use your old hardware that comes off of the old spindle, and then you have to just kind of thread this portion in. They already done that for you. Very high quality. I've used this company before. I really like this company. Let's go ahead and put this kit together, and I'll show you how to install it. We are not going to be putting that kit on this one. It's just too beat up, and I made a decision not to repair this. We're going to be using this one right here. We'll clean this one up. This one will clean up just fine, and put the new kit on that one. First, we'll start out by taking off all of our old components there. There we go. while you're in here, take the time to assess any damages and do any necessary repairs. You're going to have to keep your ring, clean this surface up, maybe even hit it with a little paint like I'm going to do. Now that we have our deck all prepped and painted, we're going to locate our spindle and our ring. Go ahead and put the ring on top, just like so, and line your mounting holes up, just like that. Then carefully lift your deck up, like so. Slide your spindle and ring underneath, and then line those mounting holes up like so. With your provided hardware, go ahead and locate that. Raise your spindle up slightly and hand tighten all three mounting bolts, just like so. Making sure that your ring is still in place at all times. Okay. There we are. Let's tighten these up. Next, when installing these pulleys here, make sure that this portion right here is down, just like so. So next we will switch our attention to this. Make sure that this small piece of steel has this little nub on there, and it goes right inside that groove there. Okay, then locate your spacer there, and then your larger spacer. Now this is the only one that takes this larger, is this one here. Okay, now our washer and our nut here, there you go. And then this one here just has a washer on the bottom, and then make sure that this portion also is down, just like so. There you are. Now we can tighten that down, and that portion will be finished. Okay, now that we have that installed, let's give it a little turn. Oh, nice and smooth. Very good, very good. Okay, moving on. Another thing I like about this kit is that there's no guessing. You know that this spindle goes with that pulley, and those pulleys match up very nicely. Of course, the blades are the correct ones, and there's no guessing. And they even provide your belt here. So I'll show you how to install that. Start by putting this portion here inside there on both sides of the brake. Okay, now this goes around. All right, goes through this one like so, and then goes through the back of that one. Just that easy. Also, for reference, you can always go to your illustration here. So we got our deck flipped upside down here. Now we're going to go ahead and put the blades on. There we go. Nice firm fit. Take your mounting hardware that's included. Even comes with a lock washer. Very nice. Threads right in nice and smooth. Just like that. Do our second one here. Let's get it tightened down, and our deck is ready to be reinstalled. Well, that's going to do it for this episode. In part 3, we will continue on our little Craftsman build. Everything that you've seen here today will be in the description. With that being said, remember, it's just nuts and bolts, and God bless. Bye-bye now.